Good morning, scholars. What follows is a preview of our treatment of Iliad 1, lines 68 to 73, the transition to the speech of Calchas the priest. He toi ho go sepon, katar hes deto, toi si dan este, kalkas deorides, oionopolon okaristos. Hos vedeton e onta ta esomenat pro de onta, kai ne ege sat akaion ilione so, hein diatmanto sunen, ten hoipora boibos apollon. Hos ben e ubrone on agore satokai me de e pain. And then, as usual, I go through the vocabulary and explain particles. And there you have everything you need if you're going to deeply understand what's going on throughout this passage. So please do check the link that's included in the in the description, and enjoy this whole lecture on my Patreon site. Okay, I wish you a good day, and hope that you are progressing with your Greek and staying safe. Goodbye.